Let me share with you how to make the braised chicken drumsticks I ate most often while losing a significant amount of weight. This dish was a true cornerstone of my journey, and it is incredibly simple to make. Begin by preparing your protein. You will need 4 good-sized chicken drumsticks. It is important to boil them briefly, first to clean them and remove any impurities to the pot. Also add 6 eggs that you have already hard-boiled and peeled. The deep flavor comes from the spices to the pot with the chicken and eggs. Add a handful of spring onion segments, several thick slices of ginger, about 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns, 2 star anise pods, 3 bay leaves, a few dried red chilies, a few pieces of yellow rock sugar, and 1 cinnamon stick. Now we add the liquid ingredients that will create the rich sauce. Pour in 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, which gives the dish its beautiful dark color. Then add 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce for saltiness, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce for a deep savory flavor. To round out the sauce, add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, which helps remove any lingering and whited taste. Then add 3 tablespoons of fermented soybean paste, which provides a fantastic umami, savory depth. Finally, sprinkle in 1 small teaspoon of Chinese starting spice powder. Carefully pour fresh water into the pot until it just covers all the chicken, eggs, and spices. Place the pot on the stove and bring it to a strong rolling boil over heat. Once boiling, maintain this high heat and let it cook vigorously for 40 minutes. This extended time is crucial as it allows all those wonderful flavors from the spices and sauces to penetrate deeply into the chicken and eggs. After 40 minutes, place a lid on the pot and reduce the heat to the lowest setting. This gentle cover simmer will slowly thicken the sauce, making it rich and glossy. While finishing the cooking process, what you get is chicken so tender it practically falls off the bone and eggs that have tanned a beautiful brown color and a packed with flavor. The sauce becomes thick and aromatic. This method is simple and practically takes care of itself. The result is a meal that is far more delicious and satisfying than any version you could buy. It is the perfect combination of healthy eating and incredible comforting flavor.